From the front, an ATM machine looks secure, but the top hatch remains a critical weak point. Shared mechanical service keys create risk. The most critical access point is exposed, leaving cash machines vulnerable to jackpotting and unauthorized access. Apexx Strato changes that. Apexx Strato is a keyless Bluetooth low-energy rotary lock designed to secure the ATM top hatch and protect internal electronics. Authorized technicians unlock the top hatch using secure mobile credentials. No shared keys, no keypad, no codes. Centralized user management enables remote access control without on-site changes or delays. Every opening is verified and recorded automatically. Door and latch status are captured in the audit trail. ATM security is stronger when access is connected. Apexx Strato integrates with the Apexx platform alongside CenconX. Together, you manage the entire ATM as one secure system. Apexx Strato. Protect the ATM from the top down.